So, hello everyone. We are Group 1 and we will start now our discussion. So, for our first topic, which is 3 to 8 line 3 to 8 line decoder. So, here so dito po pinapakita sa aming truth table. Let's start with the 000. Then yung open niya is yung on niya dapat is yung Y0, which is ito po as you can see here. Tama. Then sa next is 001, 001, which is yung open is yung Y1. Tama. Then, next is 010. Then, yung open is yung Y2. Tama. Then, next, 011. Yung open niya dapat is Y3. Tama. Then, 100, 100. Yung open niya dapat is yung Y4. As you can see here, tama. Then, 101. Ang open niya dapat is Y5. Here, tama. 110, 110. Ang open niya dapat is Y6. Tama. Then, if on po lahat ito, dapat mag-on ang Y7. Tama. Okay, so, next. Next? Our next discussion ay topic, 2 to 4 line decoder with enable input. So, for our truth table, as you can see here, 2 to 4 line decoder input. So, if A is off and B is off, then D0 is on, as you can see here in our table. For next is 01. A is 01 is on. Then D1 is on. As you can see here, tama. Then 10, A is 1, B is 0. Dapat yung iilaw is D2. And as you can see here, umiilaw siya sa D2. And lastly, 11. Then dapat ang iilaw is yung D3. And as you can see here in the table, D3 ang may yung umilaw. So that's it for 2 to 4 line decoder with enable input. Next, which is number na ba to? For input, number 3. So next, for input priority encoder. As you can see here in our circuit, and this is our truth table. So let's start by D0 by being off, and D1 is also off. As you can see here, off, off, lahat sila off. So ang input is off din lahat. Then next, D0 is on, and so dapat on ang B output. As you can see here, on siya. Then next is D1 ang naka-on. Then dapat ang mag-on is Y tsaka B. As you can see here, Y output and B output are on. Tama. Then next is D2. D2 ang naka-on. Dapat ang mag-on sa output ay X and B. As you can see here, X is on and B is on, while DY is off. Then next will be D3 on, and the output should be dapat on lahat. As you can see here, X, Y, and B are all on. That's it for input priority encoder. Next, so for our next topic is 2 to 1 line multiplexer. Here's our circuit and here's our truth table. So let's start by first line 000. As you can see here, no output. And next is 001. Still no output. Then 010 is on. Tama. 011 is off. Tama ulit. And 100 off. Tama ulit. 101 on. Tama. 110 on. Tama ulit. Then all on. Tama ulit. So that's it for 2 to 1 line multiplexer. Our next topic is 4 to 1 line multiplexer. As you can see here, this is our circuit and this is our truth table. So this is the S0, S1, D0, D1, D2, D3. So let's start by first line, which is 0, 0, which is 0, 0, and the output should be off. As you can see here, off. Then for next line is naka-on ang D0. Naka-on ang D0, which is ang output ay dapat on. So naka-on siya, naka-on, tama. Then next will be S1 ang naka-on. Then yeah, it should be off. Tama intro table natin. Next, naka-on pa din ang S1, pero dapat naka-on din ang D1. Dapat mag-on siya. Yun, nag-on siya. Tama. Next will be 1, 0. 1 ang S0, 0 ang S1. Then, dapat wala siyang output. Yan, 0. Naka-off siya. Tama. Then, 1, 0 uli. But D2 is naka-on. D2. Yan. Dapat may output siya, which is tama. Truth table natin. Then, next should be S2, S0 and S1 should be on. And yeah, it should be off. Tama ang truth table natin. And next is both S0, S1 is naka-on pa din. Pero this time naka-on ang D3. Dapat pag in-open ng D3 ay mag-on siya. Yun, tama. Nag-on siya. So tama ang truth table natin. So
not the least po, ma'am, meron po tayong quadruple 1 at quadruple to 1 line multiplexer. So ang function table po natin is kapag naka-enable, ito yung enable, ito yung select. Kapag naka-1 yung enable and naka-X yung select, dapat po 0 or no output lalabas dito sa outputs natin sa Y1, Y2, Y3, and Y4. Kapag nag-0, 0 naman po tayo ng input sa select and enable, dapat po is yung A yung output. Meron po siyang output and kaya po A siya kasi po makikita po natin dito. Makikita po natin dito. Pag nalagay po tayo dito ng NOT gate sa baba. Lang po. Ayan, maglalagay po tayo ng NOT gate dito sa baba para makita natin yung output. And kapag nag-0, 0 po tayo, ang lalabas po is 0. Wala pong output tayo kasi makita po natin is select A lang po yung may output. So makita po natin sa circuit natin is yung green lang po natin na wires ay wala pong tumatama sa A. Kaya po 0, 0 siya. 0 din po yung output natin sa Y1, Y2, Y3, and Y4 kasi po, ayan, nakikita po natin lahat po BC, C, BC, C, BC, C, BC, and C dito. Then kapag nag-0, 1 naman po tayo, kapag ang enable po natin is 0 and ang select natin is 1, magkakaroon po tayo ng no output po, as in wala po talaga. Kasi select B lang po yung pasok dito sa ayan, 0, 1. Ayun po, may output po tayo kasi ang pumapasok lang po sa mga end gates natin is letter B lang po. So ang function po niya is bale. So makita natin is 0, 1. So sa wires po tayo titingin kasi makita po natin dito na kapag yung 0, kapag ang enable is 0 and select is 0, select A po yung walang pumapasok na any connection. While kapag naka 0, 1 po tayo, doon po pumapasok naman yung letter B. Kaya po siya naging multiplexer. Okay na.